Hello everyone, in this video, let's talk about reactive programming. Now, let's start with this question, okay? What is reactive programming? Well, as you can see here, it is a programming paradigm that utilizes these ideas. The first one is functional programming, and the second one is observer pattern. Okay, I'm going to explain these two ideas along with the how reactive programming works, okay? Now, imagine that we have this situation. So there are three objects, which are data source, publisher, and observer. So there are many observers, as you can see here, one publisher and one data source. Now, this data source here, it could be database or even user inputs, okay? So it means a user system in or even website ports or whatever, something like that. Now, the publisher here and the observer, it is the program that we code, okay? So this is the backend system, or I mean, it is the processing units or something like that. And then at first, so imagine that, this data source has data. And then first of all, the flow is it firstly continues the data to the publisher, okay? And then the publisher then continues it to its observer that subscribe to the publisher. Okay, so this observer subscribes to the publisher, and then after there is a data that came, the publisher then continues it to its observers. Now, this whole flow is called as observer pattern. Okay, so the observer, observes the publisher, and then if there is new data that came, the publisher then push it to its observers. Now, this is one idea. How about functional programming? Well, first of all, functional programming means the, you know, it means it is actually a programming paradigm where if, well, it shouldn't have any side effects, okay? So a function shouldn't have any side effect. And side effect means it doesn't make a chain. So the function doesn't make a chain to any data sources except at the end result. Okay, except yeah, so at the end result. Yeah, so I guess that's how functional programming is defined. Now, this programming paradigm is implemented by the observers. So each observers shouldn't make any changes to any data sources except at the end result. So that's what is reactive programming. It combines a design pattern and a programming paradigm. And so that's how we combine it, how the researcher combine it, and or the engineer combines it. And so I mean this is how reactive programming works. Observer pattern, and then each observer implements functional programming. So I guess that's for today. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.